Okay, Renee, she called you dumb and she told you you're annoying and she's gonna block you. What are you gonna say to her?
Are
Do
you
it.
fucking videotaping this shit?
Yeah, get it. Tell her. No. Type it to her. Tell her into typing. Tell her. That's right. Speak to her.
No. I want to let us talk shit. I fucking find your ass, motherfucker. You understand me, bitch? You don't want to fuck with the queens, motherfucker. Hell no.
Well,
No. Fuck you, bitch. Doing your ass.
fucking Dawn.